Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring moto vehicle experience. Today we bring a review of the 2022 Nissan QASHQAI Acenta Plus. The Nissan QASHQAI Acenta Plus takes design cues from the Nissan Rogue crossover and SUV. With a conservative exterior, the interior of the Acenta Plus remains a consistent and pleasant place to be. The design of the Acenta Plus is highlighted by a bold, horizontal grille that gives it a unique and memorable appearance. The lower section of the grille is covered in headlamps, while the upper section houses a honeycomb texture that resembles a leaf. The hood of the Acenta Plus also incorporates a spoiler that sits low, just below the roof. The muscular stance of the Acenta Plus makes it look more powerful and confident than its modest curb weight would suggest. At the rear, the QASHQAI's back end is defined by a pair of tail lamps that are finished with chrome trim to add a more upscale appearance. Performance. While the Nissan QASHQAI Acenta Plus has the same powertrain as the Nissan QASHQAI, it features slightly different exterior and interior designs to differentiate itself from the smaller crossover. This could explain the slight drop in power from the turbocharged 2.0L engine compared to the engine found in the QASHQAI. While the QASHQAI Acenta Plus is no slouch on the track, its torque output is limited due to the smaller displacement and turbocharger. Safety features. The Nissan QASHQAI Acenta Plus has an impressive list of safety features that make it a top pick among crossovers. The most notable are the Nissan Acenta Control Pro with dynamic vigilance, Acenta cornering management, and Acenta night drive assist. These are all advanced technologies that make driving safer and more comfortable. The Nissan Acenta Control Pro with dynamic vigilance helps drivers stay focused by collecting information from surrounding vehicles and pedestrians. The system uses this information to monitor traffic and avoid collisions while keeping the driver focused on the road ahead. The Nissan Acenta cornering management system is designed to improve the vehicle's overall handling, making cornering more comfortable and stable. It does this by electronically adjusting the vehicle's steering, brakes, and throttle to keep the vehicle stable. The Nissan Acenta Night Drive Assist system provides a natural assist when driving in low visibility conditions, such as when there are no street lights. It does this by monitoring the sensors typically used to detect other vehicles and pedestrians. Interior comfort. The Nissan QASHQAI Acenta Plus interior is a comfortable place to be. This gives the Acenta Plus a sophisticated and high-quality look and feel. The crossover's interior is spacious, with a lot of headroom and a comfortable driving position. The crossover interior also has plenty of storage compartments that make it effortless to fit all your essentials. The Nissan QASHQAI Acenta Plus also has an impressive list of amenities and features, including a 7-inch infotainment system, a 360-degree view camera, a wireless charging pad, a sliding console, and more. Value for money. The Nissan QASHQAI Acenta Plus is an affordable, spacious, and comfortable crossover with excellent value for money. It also comes with a long list of standard features and safety technologies, making it an excellent choice for those with a tight budget. The Nissan QASHQAI Acenta Plus is a value-for-money vehicle. This is mainly attributed to its affordable price tag and numerous features and amenities that make it an excellent choice for those with a tight budget. Which car do you want us to review next? Share your sentiment in the comments section. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment.